Welcome back, everybody. Video number 5. Yes, John's going slightly crazy at this point, so I'm just going to stop my program for a second. Yep, we've just done the update button. Yes, very good. And at this point, I'm not really sure what we've got left. I know we've not done the delete button, we've not done the hash, and we've not done check the reorder level. Everything else is almost there, so let's do this one. Let's do this. Check in the stock. Okay, so to check the stock, this is what we've got to do. We've got to open the file, get the record from the file, check the stock level, and compare it to the reorder level. Okay, if the stock level is less than the reorder level, then we need to tell someone about it. And if not, all is well with the world. So let's get cracking. One product as product type dim, quantity as integer. So quantity is the amount that we've got. I'm going to store it locally. I'm going to also store the reorder level. Okay, the reorder will also be local to me. Local. Oh, press caps lock. Also, I've got the name of the item because I want to tell people which item I'm on about. Because if you just see 23 out of 50, you won't have a clue what's going on. But if I say, oh, that spider plant is 23 out of 50, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. So how many, I could also tell them how many overstock I've got if I wanted to. So file open, there, same line again. Do you remember the line I said is going to be really useful all the time when you do an iteration over files? Do while not EOF channel 1. So useful, so useful. File, get, channel 1, and 1 product. Now, what this will do, if you leave this last parameter blank, if you leave it blank, it will do it in order. So it will get the first record, go to the second record, get that one, go to the third record and get that one, go to the fourth record and get that one, go to the fifth record and get that one, go to the sixth record and get that one, go to the seventh record and get that one. I'm just going to stop. I'm just going to stop there. Right. That's what it does. It goes and gets each record so you can do something with it. Now, once I do the file get, then I have the information in the record itself. So what I can do now is I can just say quantity 1 product dot quantity in stock. Okay, I can also say the reorder level is equal to 1 product dot reorder level, and I can also say the item name is well, it's 1 product, isn't it? Dot description. Okay. Now, once I've got those directly from my record in there, I can just do a simple if statement to say if the reorder level is greater than the quantity I've got, then what that means is I can output a message box and I can say trim. Yeah, because the description has 18 characters in it, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. So if I trim that down with white space and I say and has only, and has only, need a space there, I think, has only, and quantity, and, so it's going to say spider plant has only, and then quantity, let's do just slash, and reorder. So that'll give you like a little fraction looking thing. So that'll do me, no problem. And that means that my number over stock plus equals 1. Increment the number over stock. Okay? And then I could say after that, that's the if statement done. I could say Finish that, finish the loop. Once you're done adding up all of those things, Mr. Loop, then I can just say total items under reorder level equals space and number over stock. Okay. Now, when do I? Oh, nearly forgot. Nearly forgot step 3. Now, I think I could do this. Could I do this on load? I could do this when I load the form as well as clicking the button. Right, here we go. Private sub. Check stock, bracket, enter. Okay, private sub procedure, yeah? Take all the code, get rid of it. Bang. Check stock. It's got its own code. This button here, check reorder level, just called check stock. So that means when I click the button, it'll call the procedure and it'll run all this code in this procedure. Okay? And when I load the form, where the hell's my load gone? Are we seriously written this much code? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Here we are. File close. Check stock. So when we load the form, check the stock. So now when I run this, that's what's appeared. Another thing. Is that the name of one of my plants? That's no good, is it? 23 out of 50. Total items under the reorder level, 1. Right, is that right? Another thing. 23 out of 50, yep. Okay, so let me get the spider plant. Record number 1. Find the record. Let me change the quantity to 25. Okay, update the record. Bosh. Oh, broke it. I think I need +1. Yeah, I think I need +1. So we click update record, run the program. There we go. Spider plant, 25, 50 reorder. Excellent. So if I click this button now, spider plant only has 25 out of 50. Another thing, which is a plant, is 23 out of 50. 2 items in total. That works. Fantastic. We've done that one as well. Oh, we're well on our way now, people. Well on our way. So let's do the delete button then next. Delete button. Here we go. A disclaimer, the delete button isn't really a delete button. Okay? What it does is it actually copies the records in the file up to the one that you want to delete. It then skips over it and copies the rest across to the file. Okay? And when I say the file, I mean a temporary file. So you actually have 2 files open. You copy all the things you want to keep into a new file and leave the old thing in the old file. Then you delete the old file and rename the new file what the old file was called. Huh? Does that make sense? What? You'll see. It's getting unbelievably late now. So, yeah, I'm starting to talk gibberish. Product. One product as product type. File open again. Oh, no. File open again. There it is. Take it. Put it in. File open. And then you say, this is for temporary random file. So this is for our temporary random file, right? So what I'll do now is I'll take this again and I'll put that there. What is the difference between these two? I can't open them on the same channel. I can't have the same name either. I have to call it like temp dat or something in speech marks. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say random same It's going to open the same. And then after I've done that, I've got two files now. So that's created a new file called temporary or temp. Then I'm going to say do while I've not reached the end of the file of which one? Of channel 1. So this is going to loop through the products file first. Press enter. Then I'll say if the location 1, so the position I'm at in channel 1, if that is not the same as the record number -1, you'll see why in a second, then file get the thing from number 1, product, leave that last one blank, and then put it, file put 2, 1 product. Right. What that first bit says, it's saying if the thing in the first file is not the record number that I want to delete, then copy it across. So if the thing in the first file is not the thing I want to delete, then put it in, get it out of the first file and put it in the second one. Okay, so that's a successful copy across. Now, else, this is the thing we want to delete. So when I say delete it, I just mean skip over it. Okay, so we literally just get it and we don't put it anywhere. All right. So when I say deletion, we're not actually deleting anything. We're just ignoring it and skipping over it in the file. So copy it across if we want to keep it, skip over it if we want to delete it. All right. And that's basically it. That's the deletion part, really. Now, remember, the last part of my file handling process is close. Delete, what am I on about? Close. So close the two files down. Now we've still got two files. Now the second file, which is called temp.dat, is now my file without my old piece of information that I wanted to delete. So what we have to do is we have to delete the original file. So in order to delete it, I'll say kill. It's pretty extreme, but you know, it's the way it works. So kill file name. So that's called products.dat, isn't it? All right. And once we've done that, we then need to rename the temporary file. Rename the temporary file. What we do is we say rename the temp.dat file, comma, what do you want to call it? I want to call it file name, which is products.dat. Message box, record deleted. There we go. And then clear. Want to clear all those boxes. Okay. So I'm sure you can easily manage the clearing of some boxes in there. So number of records. And then we have to -1. Let's do equals number of records -1. I could do this shorthand, but I won't show you longhand. We need to decrement the number of records because we've just deleted one, haven't we? Yes, we have. And then I also remember that little box called display products in file.text. That needs to be decremented, doesn't it? So that now equals the number of records. Okay, and that's the deletion part of my file. So if I just run this again, see what happens. Find record number 1. Find the products. There's my spider plant. Find my products ID. 1. Was it 1? Yep, spider plant. Delete it. Record deleted. Run it again. Notice spider plant's now disappeared. Yeah, you should clear these boxes, but also my products and my files has been decremented. So I believe that has worked. Incredible scenes here, people. Incredible scenes. I'll just stop the program. Excellent. And again, a perfect opportunity now to stop our video there. We have one more thing to do. So join me in the final video of this saga that has turned into the Garden Center master project. We are going to generate the hashing algorithm in video number 6. I'll see you there.